Welcome to LaraK's Oracle. This is a mystical space where ancient wisdom meets modern intuition. Let's start the Wheel of Fortune today. Let tarot speak to us. Alright, let's picture this. Front and center spins a giant golden wheel. Around its rim, you can read the letters T-A-R-O. And tucked between them is the Hebrew name of God. The message here: there is a hidden order behind every twist of fate. Perched on top, a cool blue sphinx balances a sword. That's the total calm in the chaos. And on the right, that jackal-headed Anubis rides the wheel up, while a bright yellow serpent slides down the other side. In the four cloudy corners, saw a winged angel, eagle, lion, and bull, the guardians of time and the four elements. It's a cosmic clock, and we are all strapped to it. See the rune of letters? They can spell tarot, rota, or Torah, hinting at tarot, rotation, and divine law all at once. Destiny isn't random, it's choreography. Up top, the Sphinx guards the pivot point with a sligrine. It says, know thyself, stay centered, no matter where the wheel spins. On the right, Anubis, that Egyptian guide of souls, rides upward, his momentum, growth, and seizing opportunities. Sliding leftward is the yellow snake, gravity, decline, the necessary release that makes space for new upswing. No shade, just a cycle. The angel, eagle, lion, and bull, they are the four elements, meaning air, water, fire, and earth. They study open books, reminding us that every season is part of the larger lesson plan. So when the wheel shows up upright, buckle up, luck shifts in your favor. You might land a job offer, stumble into the perfect apartment, or meet that one person who changes everything, make it positive. Say yes, move with the current, trust the bigger pattern. But if reversed, the wheel feels jammed. Plans stall, flights cancel, or deals fall through. Instead of forcing the spin, pause and ask, what am I clinging to? Resistance, not destiny, is the real drag here. So, how do we dance with the fortune's Ferris wheel? Spot the cycle. Notice repeating themes. For example, Tuesday traffic jams, month-end panic, or yearly creative bursts. The awareness turns chaos into rhythm. Our planet Good says, Jupiter rules this card, so generosity expands your future luck. Hold the door, share the lead, or tip a little extra. Stay centered, meditate, breathe, or just plant both fate. The calm hub lets you watch the spokes spin without getting dizzy. Trust the deep. Downswings aren't punishment, they are compost. Something fresh is fertilizing below the surface. Alright, travelers, are you ready to ride the turning tide? Remember, the wheel keeps moving, but your center stays still. In our next video, we will meet Justice, the card that balances every spin with truth and fairness. If today's message resonates, drop a heart in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to LaraK's Oracle. Till next time, stay centered, trust the circle, and let tarot speak to you.